Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you two easy recurring income affiliate programs that you can start today. All right, jumping right into it. The first opportunity is Nexus Rewards. Now this is a new online business opportunity that I've been talking about a lot lately, and it is really cool. Why? Because it actually pays you $10 for every referral that you bring into Nexus Rewards, and this is $10 that you're going to get every single month. So you're going to get paid as long as the member stays with Nexus Rewards. And the cool thing about Nexus Rewards is most people are not going to want to quit this opportunity because of all of the benefits that they get as a member of Nexus Rewards. So if you think about it in the long term. Say your goal is to get like 200 people, right, involved with Nexus Rewards. That's an extra $2,000 you're going to be receiving a month. Another benefit to Nexus Rewards is they do have that network marketing aspect. So you're going to get paid for all the people that your people bring in, and those people bring in, and those people bring in 10 levels deep, right? So even if you're getting, $2,000 from membership commissions, you're going to most likely be earning a lot more, because don't forget about all the people that those people bring in, and so on and so on. So this could create a huge monthly income, and this is huge because Nexus Rewards is a cashback and referral program. Now, to be eligible to earn the $10 commissions and to earn from all of their referrals and their referrals and their referrals, you do need to be a premium member. Now, the cool thing about that is it's only $21.95 a month to become a premium member with Nexus Rewards, and it is well worth it. So basically, you're going to be getting paid to show people how to get cash back and save every time they go shopping. Now, how easy is that? So the second easy recurring income affiliate program is Instant Recall. Now, Instant Recall is an app that pays people for sharing their data. All right. So I always say this in all my videos, like, don't get freaked out, because a lot of people are like, what? Sharing my data? Oh, I don't want to do that. Listen, Facebook has your location data. Twitter has it. Google has it. Only difference is they're not paying you for it. Instant Recall is actually paying people just for, selling their data related to their cell phone and stuff like that. The earning potential with Instant Recall is crazy. So every time you refer the Instant Recall app to somebody and they decide to enroll in the data sharing program, you're going to get paid every single month. Now, to be eligible for the Instant Recall payment program, it does cost $3.99 a month, but paying $3.99 a month can earn you their unlimited income just by sharing the app opportunity. So it's very, you're looking at $1 a week to be able to run your own online business and earn crazy money. So Instant Recall is about to actually start issuing out their first payments, but you can actually start building up your referrals today. All right. These are two easy recurring income affiliate programs that you can start today. I will put information about both of these opportunities in the description of this video, as well as in the first comment. So check these out and let me know if you got any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.